Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and we are on the Masquerade Advent number 17, guys. Woo, 17! How many days are there left till Christmas? Woo! Wow. Oh, it's a week tomorrow, isn't it? Christmas Day. Wow. Bit scary really, but we're all done here. Parcels, only a couple of parcels now left to deliver and we're done. Yay! I'm happy. So 17, let me see, 16, what's number 7? Oh, purple. I wonder what it can be today. And we've got little Christmas trees. Aren't they super duper? So let's get into it, shall we? Let's have a look. I'm so excited. Oh! Ooh! 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 Oh my Lord. Guys, look at that. That is teal. Oh, yay! Isn't that beautiful? Holy moly, guys. Holy moly. So we've got this one. This was yesterday, the 16th. And this is today. And then I'll take out the day before's. And you can see how it's leading on. Oh my Lord, look at them, guys. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. So that's 15, that goes back in there. That's 16, so that goes back in there. But look at that colour, guys. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yay! Thank you, Reggie. I knew. Yay! I knew. I'm a nutter. I know, guys. I know. I've lost the plot. So yeah, so that's the Advent. On a serious note, though, guys, I want to thank everybody for all the well wishes for my husband. He's doing okay. I've spoken to him this morning and he doesn't know, he's waiting for the consultant to come to tell him whether or not he can come home today or it's going to be tomorrow. So it was a bit strange last night being in bed on my own, I can tell you that now. But I hope he's home. I hope he comes home today because I miss him. But I'm looking forward to seeing what tomorrow brings, guys. I wonder what tomorrow, and I've only got 7 more. I've only got 7 more to open, guys. And then it'll be Christmas Day, and I'll be here on Christmas Day to open the last present. The last Advent. Yay! So that's all for here today from my little crochet nook. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. But as I always say, guys, more importantly, be kind to you. And I'll see you all tomorrow.